So one thing I haven't done was a video comparison of the 7's cameras or the Pixel Fold's cameras. And so in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, now here in this comparison, I wanna tell you which is which, but I also want you to try to tell me which one you like better. But this should be pretty simple. If you have the 7 or the Fold, you'll know exactly which is which. But one thing I've noticed is that the camera on the Pixel 7 has more in view because it has 0.7 versus the 0.6 for the wide angle. So this is apparent in all the photos. So when I took the photos, I tried to make it as though, they were kind of balanced, but they are not. The Pixel 7 has way more in view and they're positioned at the same side and everything. So looking at this right here, you can see it's just how it is. It appears to just have more in view at this particular way I'm shooting, but that's okay. The quality is what we're looking at here. And we will definitely show you more quality here. I'm gonna get across here to my Army and my Corvette's flags. I just think the Pixel 7 has better video and the blacks look blacker, it looks deeper, it looks a little bit more crisp. I don't know which cameras are actually in the Pixel Fold. I didn't bother to try to check it out and oh my God, is it? Even in this situation right here, you might see a different representation of the colors of these cars. This is the Pixel Fold on this side right here, and this is the Pixel 7 over here. Yeah, Pixel 7's camera, Pixel Fold's camera. And look at the different representation of the colors of this car. Can you see a difference? I can through the viewfinder. So how about on the Corvette? Check this out. Do you see a difference in the viewfinder? Can you see the difference? You should be able to see the difference. Nonetheless, I wanted to go ahead and throw up a video with the 7 and the Pixel Fold because the Pixel Fold has so much potential, but not having not having like stellar cameras in comparison to the 7 is almost a little depressing because of the price difference. Yeah, that's kind of a bummer, you know what I mean? if I'm being honest. All right, now I am holding these at the same length and look at how much more it's cropped in on my face with the Pixel Fold versus the Pixel 7. But as far as quality goes, what do you think about the quality on these cameras? What do you think? I mean, both of these have a center mounted camera, but they appear to be different quality and there's much more of a crop on the Pixel Fold for some reason. But anyway, I mean, what do you think about the quality and what do you think about the cameras on the Pixel Fold as far as the price goes versus the Pixel 7? What do you think about that? Now, one advantage that the Pixel 7 does have is it has cinema video, which is something the Pixel Fold does not have. And I still don't understand why. I mean, Google brings forth this phenomenal device with all the tech in the world to do it with, and they don't put a basic feature like cinematic video on their Pixel Fold. It would have been really nice too, because you can prop the Pixel Fold up and probably get some phenomenal footage if you were going to do cinematic video. But unfortunately, that's not the case with the Pixel Fold, but this is the Pixel 7, and it can in fact do cinematic video. Even though it's not the best cinematic video, it's still cool to have it in comparison to the phone that cost $1,200 more. So now I'm back on the Pixel Fold, recording in the same spot here. And again, with the right lighting, any phone can do well. But I think reality has set in now that I'm over a couple of months with this device. And normally I don't really harp on a device this much, but most of the content that you've seen me put out on the Pixel Fold, it's being very, very critical of it, I'll say. And I normally wouldn't do that but maybe my expectations were a little bit too high for the Pixel Fold, and reality set in. That's really what happened. Now, the Pixel Fold is my daily device, and I'm just excited for it that much to where I want them to improve on it that much. So for $2,000, I'm looking for a lot more features, Google. Add that cinematic video, and don't just do 1080p, do 4K. You can do it. I know you can. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed the comparison video with the Pixel 7, because the Pixel 8 is about to drop, and next month, yeah. And I know, at the recording of this video, the Pixel 8 is going to drop next month in October, and I know the Pixel 8 is going to be fire. So what do you think about the Pixel 7's cameras versus the Pixel Fold, the big brother top dog device that, and the most expensive device, phone device that Google's offering? What do you think about these cameras on here? See you in the next video. Take care.